Adjustment, its meaning and methods. The present lecture has been prepared by Dr. Shokeen Bilal, who is currently working as an assistant professor in the discipline of education. Let me first shed light on meaning of adjustment. Adjustment refers to the psychological and behavioral processes individuals undertake to adapt effectively to the demands and challenges of their environment. It involves achieving a state of psychological equilibrium where individuals can manage various stressors and demands without experiencing significant distress. It's the ability to modify thoughts, behaviors, emotions, and expectations to match the evolving circumstances and situations. Adjustment often involves the use of coping strategies and mechanisms to deal with stressors and challenges effectively. Overall, we can say that adjustment in psychology is a dynamic and ongoing process that relates to an individual's ability to adapt, cope, and thrive in the face of life's challenges, while maintaining a positive psychological state. Let me familiarize you with some key points related to adjustment. Adaptive response. Adjustment involves the ability to adapt and respond effectively to stressor, life transitions, and unexpected events. Coping mechanisms. It includes the use of coping mechanisms, which are strategies or behaviors individuals employ to deal with stress, anxiety, and adversity. Emotional regulation. Adjustment often focuses on regulating emotions, such as managing feelings of fear, anger, sadness, and joy in a healthy and balanced way. Resilience. It reflects an individual's resilience, or the capacity to bounce back from adversity and maintain psychological well-being. Psychological health. Adjustment is closely linked to mental health, as it pertains to the ability to maintain a positive mental state despite life's challenges. Life satisfaction. Adjusted individuals tend to report higher life satisfaction and a sense of well-being because they can effectively manage stressor. Developmental stages. It varies across developmental stages, with children, adolescents, and adults all facing unique challenges and adjustments. Social context. Social support and relationships play a significant role in how individuals adjust to life events, as supportive networks can aid in coping. Adaptive behavior. Adjustment can involve changes in behavior to better fit one's environment or circumstances, such as adopting healthier habits or making lifestyle changes. Self-concept. It can influence an individual's self-concept and self-esteem, as successful adjustment can enhance self-perception. Let me now discuss various methods of adjustment problem solving, identifying the root causes of a challenge and actively working to find solutions and resolutions. This method involves breaking down complex problems into manageable steps and taking practical actions to address them. Emotion regulation. Managing and coping with emotions that arise from stressor. This can involve techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation exercises to calm emotional reactions. Cognitive restructuring. Adjusting thought patterns and beliefs that contribute to stress or negative emotions. This technique involves challenging and replacing irrational or unhelpful thoughts with more realistic and positive ones. Seeking social support. Sharing concerns and seeking assistance, advice, or comfort from friends, family, or support networks. Talking about challenges can provide emotional relief and a fresh perspective. 5. Behavioral adaptation. Adjusting behaviors and actions to align with new circumstances. This might involve developing new habits, routines, or engaging in different activities. 6. Positive reframing. Shifting one's perspective to view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Focusing on the positive aspects of a situation can enhance resilience. 7. Humor and laughter. Using humor as a coping mechanism to lighten the emotional burden of stressor. Laughter has been shown to have positive effects on mood and stress reduction. 8. Physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise to release endorphins, reduce stress hormones, and improve overall well-being. 9. Professional help. Seeking assistance from mental health professionals, counselors, therapists, or support groups when dealing with complex or persistent stressor. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.